Hey, today we're gonna learn how to factor by greatest common factor, FOIL, and grouping. If our exponent or equation is 12x5 to the power 5 plus 8x to the power 3 plus 16x and 4x to the power of 8, we can see that all the numbers may have a common factor. In this case, we need to choose the biggest number of them all. In this case, will be 16x. So when we choose it, we need to find all the possible factors that will get us 16. In this case, there are 2, 8, 4, 16, and 1. We verify with them all which one is the biggest and the one that is able by all the numbers. So in this case, it will be 4. As we can see, all the numbers in the polynomial have an x. So our greatest common factor should be 4x and the small x. In this case, 4x. Then you divide all the numbers by the greatest common factor. So 12x divided 4x plus 8x 3 over 4x plus 16x over 4x plus 4x 8 divided 4x. For dividing the exponents, the only thing that you have to do is subtract them. So like 12x5 divided 4x will be 3x4 plus 2x2 plus 4, in this case because x minus x, and 4 . So in this case, we can see that this one will be our answer because we can't factor it by any other number. If we can, you should keep going on. To factor by FOIL, you first need to see if the polynomial is not able to be divided by greatest common factor. In this case, we're going to work with the equation of x to the power of 2 plus 8x plus 12. So, first we need to see if it is a trinomial and check if it's possible by greatest common factor. To make things easier, you should make a table, in this case, to find the factors of 12 and the numbers that when added or subtracted give us 8. To see if we have to add or subtract, you should make two parentheses, each one with one x, and you should say if it is plus times plus, it is plus in the first sign, and then you multiply the two signs. If you get plus and a negative and a positive, you subtract. If you get a positive and a positive, a negative or a negative, you add. So in this case, the factors that we can use are 6 and 2, 12 and 1, 4 and 3. The addition of each one should give us the middle number. So in this case, 8, 13 and 7. So as we can see here, the number that gets us the middle number is 6 and 2. So you should put the two numbers in the correct parentheses. The big number should always be in the first parenthesis and the other one in the other one. Finally, to make a grouping factor, you shall see also first if it is possible by greatest common factor and is a polynomial of 4 terms. In this case, we're going to work with 4x to the square plus 28x minus 3x minus 21. So first, you can see that there is no greatest common factor, so you divide them into parentheses. One with 4x squared plus 28x plus 3x plus 21. In this case, you change the symbols because you can't have the second parenthesis negative. So then you should find the greatest common factor of each parenthesis following the same process. So it will be 4x times, and then you divide. X plus 7 times 3 plus 3 times x plus 7. So as you can see in here, the two leftovers of the parentheses are the same. So the next step you have to follow is to combine the like terms to be able to get two parentheses. So it will be 4x3 plus, in a parenthesis, plus or times x plus 7.